G'day everyone and welcome to another episode of Drew's Adventures. I'm here with Bradley, wave Bradley, and we are having a look here at the old mill, what remains of it. It was the Marnock Geelong mill. Don't think we can get right inside these buildings, but you can certainly see there are a lot of pigeons in there, and yeah, be interesting to get in, but not with that amount of pigeons. So you can see there the old sign, it says Marnock Geelong, and it has an office pointing sign. It's definitely well and truly sealed up, but we'll do the best we can to have a wander. Oh wow. So I'll try and find out some information for you all, and I'll put some notes up on the screen. I'm going to wander over here. This is certainly pretty old and very historic. It's a pity that it's not really something you can walk through. Bradley was saying that there were at some point older buildings here as well, but they have only kept these two and this stack here. Ooh, now if I was game enough I could probably get through there, but I don't plan on getting pigeon stuff on me, and yeah, that's a lot of pigeon poop, so I'm not going to do that. It's a solid building though. It's certainly not looking at all like it's going to crumble, which is good to see. Here's a look at the stack, folks. You would have had your fire down here, your boiler, and that's a long way to the top. Interesting how plants are actually growing through the structure here. Nature makes its way no matter what. There's a sort of like a ring, a metallic ring around that. I don't know what that was used for precisely. Maybe it just had a logo on it. It looks like there's a bit of sign writing on part of this iron ring around it, but that's pretty fascinating. So there you go.
Idea of a joke.
Yeah. Although there is not actually as much rubbish as what there could be.
No,
so
definitely no videos today.
No, that's right. All right, what I might do, folks, is I might extend my camera up into the window bit that we can see into, and we'll have a look inside. When we talk about wool scouring, it's actually removing the grease as well as other contaminants like suet, dirt, dust and sand. Now I had to look up what suet actually was. It's water-soluble natural grease of sheep's wool. It has perspiration and potassium salts, and it acts as a natural cleanser and is a source of potash. So I'll give you all a look as well at this little, I think it was a former office building. I'm certainly not going to go in there. But there you go, folks, that's what remains of the Marnock Geelong office